We are honored to provide the Minnetonka Gold Award to several of the many organizations and their staff who have gone above and beyond in assisting our VANTAGE students. Medtronic has provided multiple resources for our VANTAGE program. This includes offerings to both our global business, health, and sports science classes. For example, in our business class, students worked with Jim Freeland and Stasha Lair on mobile technologies and applications that might be used with disease management and health and wellness. Our health science class students had 2 Medtronic site visits, allowing our students to work on deep brain simulation, spinal cord stimulation, dissecting pig hearts, and viewing MRIs using their stealth technology, and threading a lead in a virtual cath lab. All of these experiences had target educational outcomes designed with our curriculum in mind. These resources were pioneered together with Kate Smith, Principal Training Specialist.
I think finding new ways to have those educational experiences, both in the classroom but also with that tactile and different sensory experiences, is so critical. You're not serving them up, you're not preparing them for college, you're preparing them beyond.
Habitat for Humanity has been a critical partner with VANTAGE since our inception. Annie Thul, Riley Moynihan, Pete O'Keefe, and Sarah Harris have provided multiple business projects in every semester. They have offered invaluable business insight ranging from the creation of a new business location to a telemarketing and social media campaign to reach veterans who are in need of a home. Children's Hospital and Clinics put forth incredible educational opportunities for our students. With the leadership of Dr. Phil Kibort, Samantha Hanson, and Karen Mathias, our VANTAGE business and health students have undergone incredible professional experiences. This included a phenomenal day-in-the-life simulation where students participated in a hands-on trauma, ICU, and discharge scenario. The children's simulation bus also came to Minnetonka High School. VANTAGE and other high school students experienced health services firsthand with multiple stations inside and outside the mobile trauma unit. Finally, Children's offered numerous guest instructors and business project work for multiple VANTAGE classes.
From an outsider, you could tell these are sharp young people. I mean, you sense they're good students. They can project their futures a little bit, and when you saw their faces, you thought, wow, they think this is good. They think this is. They can't quite get into the operating room itself, but it's as close as you're going to get, and still feel some of the tension, the pressure. The sense of what goes on in the middle of an arrest, a code.
Medica Health Plan's team of Janet Johnson, Paul Sariego, Greg Gross, and Andrew Willman have produced more business projects for our VANTAGE students than any other organization. Students were introduced to Medica's ROC, the Real-Time Operations Center, to learn how Medica implements customer relationship strategies. David Stillman has made a major commitment of time to VANTAGE this past year, resulting in a significant impact on the lives of VANTAGE students. He has been a guest instructor in our Global Business course, teaching on how to manage intergenerational relationships in the workplace. He has provided and led a major project for our business analytics students, where they have surveyed and analyzed the attitudes of post-millennial students to the workplace. Rick Mewes of Fairview Health Services Institute for Athletic Medicine was a key contributor to the VANTAGE program. Contributing well over 20 guest instructors and mentors with both medical and administrative backgrounds, Fairview excelled at offering content-specific information to our students. Early in the year, a tour of Fairview Southdale Hospital and Clinics gave students insight into the multiple fields that healthcare offers. Students experienced physical therapy, neurology, speech, language, and occupational therapy, cardiology, rehabilitation, and the Sleep Center clinics in one massive day of simulation. Furthermore, Fairview offered clinical rotations at multiple clinic sites where students received direct patient observation and one-on-one insight with a healthcare professional.